Jonathan York, Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. It could be a big couple of weeks here for the US market after the recent release of the employment data. That still showed some pretty good gains taking place in the US economy, a little bit stronger than consensus. And we're now heading into earnings, second quarter earnings reporting season, and it'll just be interesting to see the pace of these earnings. If, as expected, they are a little bit stronger than anticipated, that on top of the positive economic data and the US housing market, which has been pushing along now at a pretty reasonable rate for the last 12 months or so, that could be just the sort of catalyst that's needed for the Fed to start their sort of tapering, which is the gradual removal of the support and the stimulus for the economy. Now, as stated before, that should be viewed as positive. Because the reason why they view they can take that away is the economy can grow under its own steam, and as reported here before, in the last four times that the US has started to see a rate increasing cycle, the S&P over the next sort of 24 months or so has increased by around 16%. Domestically, we've got the Argosy rights issue coming into play. That'll be raising new capital for the Argosy Property Trust, that's the ex-ING Property Trust. They've got a 1-for-7 rights issue at a discounted price of 89 cents. Shares are currently trading around 96, 97 cents. These will be tradable as well, so if you don't want to take up your additional shares, you can sell them on the exchange and receive a little bit of money back for them. So if you're interested in that or a little bit uncertain as to what to do, call us on 0800 867 323 and we can discuss what options are available. So just to recap, you just keep an eye on that fixed interest portfolio, with the potential of rates looking to move up globally. That might see a little bit of pressure coming into some of these bond markets as we've seen over the last sort of 2 to 3 months. So there's the Argosy rights issue that needs some consideration, and also as well those offshore shares with the currency coming under a little bit of pressure here in New Zealand as well. If you're interested in discussing any of these, call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. We look forward to speaking to you soon.